And as we weather this pandemic, no group is feeling the strain of our virus surge more than our healthcare workers. And as they protect us, they're actually getting sick too. KAMC Laughead has a story of one couple on the front lines who both got COVID-19.
You're scared, you're worried, again thinking, what's wrong with me? There's something going on.
Serving on the front lines is a family affair for the Noahs. Husband and wife Carissa and Joseph Noah are healthcare workers in Lubbock. She's a nurse manager and he's a paramedic. Since the pandemic started, they've been taking care of COVID patients until October, when Joseph tested positive for the same virus he was fighting. Not long after, Carissa started feeling off too.
Lots of fatigue, lots of tiredness and, body aches, fever, coughing.
But just as Joseph was on the mend, his health took a turn for the worst.
Woke up in the middle of the night one night in just severe abdominal pain, so much that he couldn't take the pain any longer and drove himself to the emergency room.
A few days later, Carissa's did too.
I was trying to get the kids out of the bathtub and I couldn't breathe, I couldn't speak, I couldn't finish my sentences. And my husband actually called an ambulance for me from his hospital room.
She was admitted to the same floor as her husband, just a few doors down. A nurse turned patient. She spent the next 6 days in this hospital room, being treated by the same unit she works with.
A very vulnerable position to be in, certainly. I definitely consider myself a caregiver, not necessarily a care receiver.
Thankfully, now the couple is out of the hospital and back to work. It's an experience Carissa shares with her patients, hoping to encourage them that they're not alone. Laughead, KAMC News.